Hey guys, and welcome to another GCSE Maths Grade 9 exam question. So for this question, it's actually sort of like a little bit on algebraic fractions and simplified algebraic fractions. Now I know it doesn't quite look like that at the minute, but let's have a look at how we tackle this style question. So we're given that 2x minus 1 to x minus 4 is equal to 16x plus 1 to 2x minus 1, and we have to find the possible values of x. So this is only something that's been recently introduced on the new spec, and it's easier than it looks, and I'll show you why. So we've got 2x minus 1 to x minus 4. What we do is we set this up as a fraction. So this is going to look like this: 2x minus 1, that's a 2, let's curl it a bit, 2x minus 1, 2 divided by x minus 4. So we set it up as a quotient like that. So make sure the left hand side is the numerator, the right hand side is your denominator, and this is equal to another quotient here. So again, it's going to be 16x plus 1 divided by 2x minus 1, like that. What we do now is we simplify this expression here. So how we do that is we multiply each side by the other denominator. So I multiply this side by x minus 4, and I multiply this side, my left hand side, by 2x minus 1. So it's the opposite denominator. I sometimes say it's called butterfly multiplication, because you're doing this basically, but it's kind of like just cross multiplication like that. So if I do that, I'm going to get this. I'm going to get 2x minus 1 squared. 2x minus 1 squared is going to be equal to 16x plus 1. 16x plus 1 times x minus 4. X minus 4. So we need to simplify this here. So what's that going to give me if I do each side separately? So if I do the left hand side first, 2x times 2x, 4x squared. 4x squared, and then this is going to give me minus 4x, so I'm going to get 2x times minus 1 to give me minus 2x, and then it's going to be minus 1 times 2x. I'm going to get minus 4x. So all I'm doing here is just expanding this double bracket, minus 4x, and that's going to give me minus 1 times minus 1 plus 1. And this is going to be equal, so it's going to be 16x times x, 16x squared. 16x squared. And then I'm going to do 16x times minus 4, so it's going to be minus 64x. And then I'm going to get plus x, 1 times x plus x. And then we'll do 1 times minus 4, so it's going to give me minus 4 in the end. Now we just need to simplify this all into one side. So I'm going to take the 4x across here and keep it positive. So it's going to give me 12x squared. I'm then going to get minus 59x minus 59x. So obviously don't forget we should simplify this side, minus 64x plus x minus 63x, and then minus 5. This is equal to 0. And your clue as well that you should get a quadratic is the fact that it says find the possible values of x. So it's plural, we're going to get more than one value. So the fact we've got a quadratic is very good. So we need to think about factorising this. You could use the quadratic formula, but it's easier than that. If you notice here, we've got a 12 here, so, and we've got a 59 here and a minus 5. So notice that 12 and minus 59 are pretty close if you think about multiplication. So 12 times 5 is 60. So that's your clue for this. So it's going to be 12x in one bracket. And I'm going to put two minuses. So obviously I'm going to have an x here. And the numbers that are going to go in here, you need to think about what we're doing. So like I was just saying, 12 times 5 will give me 60. So if I put this as minus 5 and put this as plus 1, will this work? So that's going to give me minus 60 if I had the one minus 59. Perfect. 1 times minus 5 is minus 5. Perfect. So we've got the factorisation correct. Now we just need to take the root values. So if 12x plus 1 is equal to 0, that means that x is going to be equal to minus 112, or x is equal to 5. And that's it for 5 marks. Question done.